Yo, 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 yo. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Blue. And today's video is going to be a trade recap of the trades that I took for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, if y'all remember, I've been on a green streak for a couple weeks now. Now we're going to see if we can continue this for these next 3 days. So if y'all find some value in the content that I'm bringing to y'all, go ahead and drop a like down there and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post. And without further ado, let's get into these videos. So it is Wednesday, September the 9th, and I took 3 different trades. Let me show y'all what I traded. After opening on the first candle, I took the washout down to the 20 MA and I got a couple points off of it. So then I waited for this 20 or this 33.78 area to break before I took another trade. So I got short, and as it pushed, I added, took 2 adds. Up here, I started to add, but I didn't get it, so it don't even matter. But I took 2 adds after my initial entry, and I took it off as it came back down. So then, as it kept pushing up, and this candle right here pushed up, I got short, and then I added when it broke out of this little doji, and when it pulled back, I took it off. So I was looking for the next trade, but then I said, nah, I'm not going to overtrade this. So I went on ahead and stopped trading. So I just took 3 trades today. I ain't want to get nothing back, especially after yesterday when I took that nice little loss and then made it back, but it made my profit so small. So I said, I'm going to just leave it where I'm at. But I made 140 bucks today, and hopefully tomorrow we can get another green day and keep this streak going. So with that said, see y'all all in the next one. So it is Thursday, September the 10th, and I took 2 trades. I wasn't trying to be too aggressive because I wasn't at home to trade on my home computer and Wi-Fi stuff. So I just took 2 trades, just as quick scalps. So when the market opened, I was looking for a washout to take long off of this 20 MA. When it dipped up under and reclaimed it, I got long. I wanted to take it and get out at, what was this, 33 or 34.16, but I accidentally put in 34.15, so I got out a little too early, but I only took 2 contracts, so it ended up being 20 bucks altogether with both contracts. So once it started making a move and I saw this washout to this double bottom, and I took a long 2 contracts, and I was prepared to add 2 more if it got down to here, 34.06, around this area, and take 2 more contracts, but it instantly started bouncing back, so I took it off once it started approaching a 20 again. And that was all the trades I ended up taking. So then I looked at the charts when I got home, or where I got to a place where I could check them, and saw this. And I was a little upset because I kind of wish I could have caught this big wash candle, so I could have started in, especially right up under it. But that's kind of hindsight. So I also was looking down here when it at this double bottom coming up, and I wanted to take 2 contracts off of it, and I was going to scale in. But as you all know, I don't like to trade later in the day, so I just left it alone, which it would have worked out because this green candle would have got me out if it would have only filled me with 2 of my contracts, which it looked like it would have. It didn't break down enough. But anyways, that's all the trading I did for today. I ended up making $50 today, and yesterday I made 140. So that put me up 190 between the last 2 days. And what was it, $47 I made Tuesday. So I'm green every day this week so far. So hopefully tomorrow we can finish with a green day, and that'll be 2.5 weeks that I've had green days consistently. So we'll see what we could do tomorrow, and I'll be back at this then. So it's Saturday, and I didn't take any trades on Friday, 9/11. I was at a funeral, so I didn't get to trade, but I want to go over a couple trades that I would have ended up taking. Now, on this first candle out the gate, I'm pretty sure I would have ended up in this candle because usually I'm end up in the first candle as long as it move enough. And I probably would have ended up with 4 contracts and took them off and there's wash because it falls into my setup. So then the second trade, I know I would have been stalking it, and I might have ended up in here somewhere going long with 2 contracts, but because sometimes I will take it if it's moving fast enough for me to get in, but I don't know. But I know I would have took it under this candle, at the bottom of this candle, under 33.43, and would have ended up in at least 33.40, because this candle came down to, what's the low? The lowest one of this is 33.37.25. So I know I would have ended up in 2 contracts and took them off and it's pushed back up. So I know that would have been 2 trades. And depending on how I was feeling or if I wanted to sit at my desk, if I wouldn't have ended up in a trade from off of this push, then I definitely would have ended up in a trade up here, breaking up through these highs. But that's all hindsight. Anywhere I go, I know I would have been in at least 2 trades over in here. With that said, I'll be start live trading on Monday, so you can look forward to everything just being live now instead of me trading the my paper trading all week. I've been waiting for my funds to settle. So after this, I'll be going live, and we'll see what we can get next week. And if y'all like my content, please subscribe, hit that like, hit the notification bell so you can get more content when I put it out. Anyways, have a good weekend.